Hi guys, welcome to Andrew of Untitled TV, and welcome to my tutorial on how to create your own business cards for marketing and advertising. Now, there are a couple resources that you need to gather, and that would be a few business cards in your area to get ideas for your own. And the two websites we'll be using is called Vistaprint and PaintDOTNET. Now, PaintDOTNET will be the program we'll be using to create your own business cards. This program, you can add layers on top of layers and use the lasso tools, various other cropping tools that are very similar to Photoshop. Now, if you guys are using Linux, you guys can use a similar program called Pinta. P-I-N-T-A, that's Pinta. So, let's start this tutorial right now. So to start, go ahead and Google your resources such as icons, clip art, text boxes, and etc. You're going to use these for your business card / design. You're going to want to open these images up in Paint.net and create a blank template after doing so by a 1280 by 720, which is a 16:9 scale, which should be perfect for your business card if you're doing a horizontal design. And if you already have a logo made, go ahead and use the color picker tool and to pick the color selected in the backdrop of your logo as a backdrop of your actual template. You can do that by using the bucket tool. That will make the whole backdrop of your template that one color. You then want to create and add a layer. This will allow you to add a layer of your image on top of your actual template. And once you are completely done and satisfied with your business card, you can do what's called the merge layer down, which will flatten the image to where it's an all-in-one. Now, simply move your logo on over to your template. You may have to rescale it and use the shift key to help keep the aspect ratio the same. After you have positioned your logo how you want it, we're going to add another layer, and we're going to keep on adding layers on top of layers to get what we want. Now, what we're going to be adding this time will be a text header box. This will be used for your first and last name of your business card. Once you have added that, you're going to want to rescale that to how you want it, position it, and done. You're also going to be adding some other things too, using this exact same method. We're going to be using text boxes and icons. The icons are things like Facebook, Instagram, and etc. I also have included that under the package in the description down below, just to save you some time and trouble. And eventually, your product will eventually look something like this. And once you've uploaded it to Vistaprint, it actually might look like this, to where it could be in your hands right now. So, what do you guys think of this tutorial of Untitled TVs and how to create your own business cards? So for this next part, if you for some reason do not have a logo or an avatar, I'm going to teach you that right now. First off, you're going to be needing, if you want to create an avatar, you're going to be needing 2 images of yourself if you want to do what's called the bobblehead effect, which I have, and you guys have seen it. One image, which is a close-up of your head on up, and a full body image, which will do like a pose or something like that. So let's do this whole entire thing all over again. With this avatar, I actually colored in my other half, which gives it more of that cartoony look. Now you can add things like textured backgrounds to get what's called like the grill backdrop, which I have right here, and you can also add things like clip art, like a smash computer or etc. And that's pretty much all you guys need to know about how to create the avatar. And this is here me right now creating that. I'm actually kind of speeding my way through it to kind of give you guys the idea, but really for this whole tutorial is for you to do it and not me. Now for the logo, if you want to create a simple logo, you can grab what's called clip art. Now clip arts, you can find things like the microchip, for example, which I have included under sample. You can position it in the center and have your text aligned to the right of it. This will give it something similar to this. But I hope you guys find all this stuff helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to Andrew of Untitled TV.